Confidence is not seeking for anybody's approval. Confidence is believing in yourself, not when things are going right, but even when things are not right. Confidence is believing that you can do anything that you want in your life. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 practical tips that you can use instantly to build that unshakable confidence. Hi friends, I'm Neha Fatehchandani, your personal excellence coach and communication expert, and on this channel I talk about success, mindset, communication, and living your best possible life. So if you're new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video. I was somebody, I lost my confidence in 2015. So one relationship breakdown, it broke me in hundreds of pieces. It broke my soul to a level that I never thought that I'm good enough. I always used to say I'm not good enough. I can't do much in my life. I just felt like a failure. And it is the worst place to be at. Hence, I know what it feels, because if there's a lack of confidence, you can't work. If there's lack of confidence, you will keep on seeking for approval from somebody else. If there's lack of confidence, there's one failure and you're shaken badly. At the same time, if you are confident, you are powerful. You don't seek approval from anyone. You know that you can do anything that you want. You are the creator of your destiny. Number one, know yourself. Yes. Do you even know who you are? Do you ever thought of asking yourself a question? Am I just this physical being, or there's something else that I am? This is a very deep question, to introspect. Who am I beyond this physical body? When I went on my self-discovery journey, I had this burning question: who am I? In Gita, Krishna has said very beautifully that you are not this body, you are a soul. Body keeps on changing, just like the dresses that we change, but soul is eternal. That's who you are. And who you are is very powerful. Who you are is amazing. Who you are is a bliss, because you are a child of God. So once you know this reality, once you accept this reality, you are in your power. You become powerful. You don't feel powerless. Tip number 2, this is very important. Never and ever compare. Please never compare yourself or your journey with anyone else. Gets married at the age of 25, somebody gets married at the age of 40. Some don't just get married at all. Some people get success at the age of 40, some get success at the age of 18, some get a lot of success at the age of 50. Everybody has their own timeline, because every soul travels a journey. Respect your journey and enjoy your journey. If you compare yourself constantly, oh my god, this person is doing so much better than me, the other person is doing so much better than you, are going to have unnecessary lot of social pressure. Why you want to take that pressure? Embrace yourself, embrace your journey. Everything is going to happen at the divine timing. So have that faith. Keep improving, keep learning, keep moving to that next level, but please do not compare. The only comparison that you should have in your life is that my today is better than my yesterday. Number 3, surround yourself with people who are confident or who are positive. I lost a lot of confidence, why? Because I was not with right people. I was with toxic people. These people were constantly questioning me. They were constantly saying I'm not good enough, I couldn't do this also, I couldn't do. So I somehow accepted that. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you are around people. You have to be around people who are your well-wishers, who are really positive, who are really confident in life. Okay, at least they should be neutral, but you should never and ever surround yourself with anyone who puts you down, who speaks negative, or who tells you that what you cannot do in your life or you're good for nothing. The moment you see anyone who is speaking this kind of this, just wave them a goodbye. And trust me on this, when you wave a goodbye to wrong people, you start attracting right people in your life. Number 4, you should play with your strength. I was HR in one of the IT company, and I used to do HR operations. Now that's just not me. Okay, that's just not me. I am not somebody who will just do the claims, attendance of employees, and just be a back-end kind of person. I love to talk on camera, I like to speak, I like to train, I like to do my business. This is what my strengths are. but because I was doing that job that doesn't resonate with my personality, I was not really good at it. Okay, every second or third day I used to be thrashed, okay, by my boss. When you don't know what you're really good at, then you will not feel confident the way I felt. So instead of doing anything and just randomly doing anything, take out some time to know yourself. Take out some time to know what are your strengths. How do you know what is your strength? Something that comes very naturally to you. Okay, it can be cooking that comes naturally to you, playing any sport that comes naturally to you. It can be speaking that comes naturally to you. What is it that comes so naturally to you and you are really good at it? So once you do that thing more in your life, you start building that confidence because you're playing with your strength. Tip number 5, develop skills. Okay, so what is a skill? A skill is an art of doing anything. Okay, so let's say I know that I'm good at speaking. Can I just go and speak now? No, I have to learn. I have to learn that there is a way to speak. There are certain formats that are in place and there is something that already works. Okay, so I'm going to learn it. So once I know what is my strength, the next step will be I learn that skill. Okay, skill is art of doing anything in the best possible way. So let's say I don't know how to drive. So what happened? I've developed a skill. See, some skills are always going to serve you for the rest of your life. Skills such as confidence. It's very important that you believe in yourself in the tough times and in the, not just in the good times, but also in the tough times. Number 2, you must have the skill to communicate to people, influence people, because we are living in a world wherein we are surrounded by people. If you cannot talk to them, if you cannot convince them, if you cannot win them, you're going to struggle a lot. Managing your money, it's a beautiful skill. How you attract money, how you manage money, how you multiply money, it is very important if you want to be financially independent in your life. Next is developing that winner's attitude. Now, how successful people think differently than others is very important. So when you work on these skills, you automatically develop confidence. Okay, because when you start doing more things that are right for you, your confidence just goes to the next level. Step, celebrate your wins. So have you ever observed that if anything wrong happens in our lives, we just criticize to ourselves a lot? Like I was like that. Even if I'm doing 10 good things, I won't look at that, but one wrong move, I used to criticize myself. Why did I do this? How can I do that? How can I screw up so badly? I used to be so hard on myself. Until and unless I realized that I don't have to be so hard on myself, I have to be gentle with myself. And yes, there has been a goof ups. I'm a human, so goof ups are normal. Celebrate small wins. Let's say you have cracked a deal. Celebrate that. Okay, if you have achieved a goal, celebrate that. Okay, whatever are your small wins, just celebrate that. It's okay to make mistake. It's okay if you're not getting the results that you're looking for. It's okay if things are not going the way you have planned. It's life. That is why it is called life, right? So embrace it, embrace the journey. Don't be so serious. So tip number 7, listen to the songs that gives you a lot of confidence. Okay, so if let's say you want to achieve a goal, okay, so if you hear to the song ye lakshya hai mera, every day, you will start feeling more positive and you will feel every day that I'm moving closer to my goal. Okay, or you can hear to the song I'm the best. Okay, so have a playlist of songs that makes you feel really good, that makes you feel really confident. So when you hear that song and if you dance on that song, you know what, you will start feeling a lot more confident. Okay, so I have different playlist. If let's say I have failed, okay, I have a song. There's a beautiful song na, वो सिकंदर ही कहलाता है, हारी बाजी को जीतना जिसे आता है. Okay, yeah, I'm not singing. So I always hear that song when anything goof up happens. If I want to feel more grateful for the life, then I hear this song Love You Zindagi. If I want to feel in my power, then I hear to the song I'm the best. So different songs for the different this thing. If I want to achieve a goal, I hear the song Ye Lakshya Hai Tera. So have a beautiful playlist or list of songs and hear to them every day. You will observe that you will be more confident and you're able to work also much better. Step is have a mentor in your life. So say that just I think 7 years ago, I was a freelancer and I wanted to go to next level in my life, and that attending a lot of personal development programs, and that was the time that I met some amazing mentors on this journey. And I still remember one thing that, I was really scared, if will I be able to do it. I had a business goal and I was like, I don't know if I'm going to do it, I'm not going to do it. I was so scared and I was horrified, okay. And I still remember my mentor, he looked into my eyes and he said, I know you're going to do it, I know you're going to make it super big. And even today, whenever I'm stuck, I just get that, that he said me that. So have those right mentors in your life. You know why? Because mentors can see your potential. Mentors know you more than what you know about yourself. Having mentors, I would say, is the biggest blessing to have. So I personally feel very blessed to have amazing mentors in my life. Next tip, and watch some movies that are of superheroes. Okay, like Matrix, Superman, Wonder Woman. So I personally love Wonder Woman. So when you see the superheroes journey, you will observe that every superhero, okay, it can be Superman, it can be Spider-Man, it could be Wonder Woman, or it can be Hanumanji, anyone, okay, you will observe that they all went through ups and downs, they all went through struggles. One of my favorite movie is Kung Fu Panda, okay. So you see his journey, okay. Once you see any superhero's journey, there are twists and turns, there are ups and downs. So when you see these superheroes, you know what, you get the confidence that it's normal to have challenges in my life, because if there is any challenge, it always comes with a solution. There is no challenge ever that you will get in your life that you are not capable of handling. Okay, so once you know this, once you realize this, when you watch these movies, you see yourself very differently, you see the world very differently, you see your challenges very differently, and that makes you very, very confident. The 10th tip to be super confident is say affirmations every day. So what is an affirmation? Affirmation is a positive statement that you say to yourself. Okay, so if you say to yourself every day, I am confident, I'm smart, I'm awesome, you know what, and you feel it, don't just say it for the sake of saying it, feel the affirmation. You will observe every day, if you're going to say these affirmation, in next 10 days, 15 days, 21 days, you will start attracting a lot of different opportunities. You will start attracting right people, you will start attracting right opportunities. Why? Because you have raised your vibration. How much time it's going to take? 1 minute, right? Just say I am confident and feel it in your bones. Okay, yes, I am confident, I'm smart, I'm amazing. And you will realize that your confidence has gone to 10x. But also be careful. Be confident, but never and ever be overconfident. There's a thin line over there. Okay. And if you are somebody who would like to be more confident, if you're somebody who would like to master business communication, if you're somebody who would like to influence people, then I do my live workshop. Link is there in the description box. Click on that link, register your spot. Thank you so much.